All right, y'all, so here's my Z, looking dirty as ever. I'm about to just put all the plastics back together. I'll fix the radiator and put it right over there so I could like give it a wash and interior cleaning. But I'm gonna just do a cold start right now so you guys get what it sounds like. Look who decided to show up. This dude in this dirty VQ. Looks filthy. His hair, whack. His gear, whack.
His jewelry, whack. Me, I'm tight.
This is filthy too, though. Louis V cover on my phone. Yes, sir. $60 every 3 days for gas? Sure. Look at the wheels. He said, I know what time the gas station guy.
Because of how much I be at the gas station, pumping gas.
The UPS guy just pulled up.
Oh no, these are in a break with. Let me see.
His dude.
Sounds normal.
Yes, sir. So this, my Civic should be able to be running soon. Alright, I'm gonna spray paint this gray part black. I just wiped it down a little bit. Yeah, but it's about to be gloss black. Oh yeah. Alright, so I painted the engine bay. It's no longer gray on the sides. Check that out. It looks way cooler, way cleaner. It gives it more of a sleeker look. But yeah, looks tight. It's just a little bit dusty because my hood's been open. Been waiting for the JB oil to dry on the radiator. But yeah, looks clean. I also did raise my car up a little bit just to be able to push the wheel out. I'm gonna get some spacers in the front. Just be able to push the wheel out without any rubbing problems. So yeah. Hyundai, Nissan, Subaru. Jeez, look who I found just here. Chilling at 7 in the morning. Nah, I'm just kidding, that's my ride. About to go get the Z, a moving permit at the DMV. So I took my Z out finally. I got this dude with me. I got it insured. I got the moving permit for it until I register it. So I might get pulled over by the cops just because I got no license plates. No license plates, but I do have the moving permit in the front, right there. So I shouldn't have a problem. Right now I'm just gonna put in air in the tires because they're a little bit low. So yeah. All right, y'all. So I did actually get a Mishimoto weighted shift knob, which I'm going to install on my Z right now. Yes, sir. All right, so I'm just gonna take this shift knob out. And I know this is a Honda brand. It's Mugen or Mugen. I don't know how you guys be calling it. I mean, I call it Mugen. Sounds cool like that. Yeah, it's a Honda brand, but it's carbon fiber shift knob. It looks pretty tight. So I put on my Z. But we have the Mishimoto weighted shift knob. So I'm about to install that on my 350 right now. See how it feels. Whoa, it feels pretty heavy. It looks sick. Twist that on there. There we go. That looks pretty dope, if you ask me. Yeah, that looks sick. Yes, sir. Feels nice. My 350Z is running perfectly, as y'all can see. Like, I cleaned it out. It looks so good. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.
For the pay, and on my nose made you running in the way. You know I made a name, but